to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to set default font in Microsoft Outlook. So to do this, you just need to go and open the Microsoft Outlook app. And for Mac or for Windows is almost the same. And after that, go and click on Outlook. And after that, click on Settings. In Settings, as you can see here, there is an option called Fonts. Click on it. And after that, you will have the choice to choose the fonts for the new email. What type of font do you want? For example, like here is Calibri for the body, and also you have like for complex scripts, you have Arial, you have also all these settings, also the size and the font style. If you want it regular, italic, bold, or bold italic, you can choose it, whatever you want, and you will see the preview here. You can see your preview here. For me, they show me the preview in Arabic because my default language is Arabic. And also you will have the option for the fonts if you replay or forward in email. Almost the same options, you can choose between them, and you can choose also from advanced if you want more options. And you can, like here in preview, the preview of your email, what character do you want for it. So you can choose whatever font you want. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.